Good day, sir. My name is Jumari GGS and I'm here to discuss the purpose of ship routing information and ensuring safe and efficient navigation. Ship routing information plays a crucial role in ensuring both of safe and efficient navigation. Its primary purpose is to guide vessels along the most suitable path, minimizing risk and optimizing voyage. It is achieved through several key functions. There are two key functions: safety and efficiency. In safety, there are four parts. First, hazard avoidance. Routing system identify and delineate areas with known hazards, such as shallow waters, reefs, icebergs, and areas of high piracy risk. By directing ships around these dangers, the likelihood of collisions on groundings is significantly reduced. Second, environmental protection. Designate routes can help protect sensitive marine ecosystem by keeping vessels away from fragile habitats like coral reefs or breeding grounds. This minimizes the risk of damage from ship traffic. Third, reduce collision risk. Well-defined routes, especially in busy shipping lanes, help to separate traffic flows and reduce the chances of collision between vessels. This is particularly important in areas with high vessel density. And last, improve weather routing. Routing information often incorporates weather forecasts, allowing ships to avoid severe storm and adverse weather conditions. This enhances safety and reduces the risk of damage or delays. Efficiency. There are four parts of efficiency. First, optimize voyage planning. Routing systems provide optimized paths considering factors like distance, currents, and weather to minimize fuel consumption and transit time. This translates into cost savings for shipping companies. Second, reduce fuel consumption. By guiding vessels along the most efficient routes, fuel consumption can be significantly reduced, resulting in lower operating costs and a smaller carbon footprint. Third, improve time management. Efficient routing reduces delays caused by navigating hazardous areas or adverse weather, allowing for better scheduling and on-time delivery of goods. And last, increase predictability. Knowing the designated route allows for better prediction of arrival times, improving supply chain management and overall efficiency. Type of ship routing measures. There are several types of routing measures are implemented to achieve these goals. First, recommended tracks. These are suggested routes that are not mandatory but are recommended for safe and efficient passage. Second, traffic separation scheme. These schemes use a system of lanes and separation zones to direct traffic flow, minimizing the risk of collisions. Third, areas to be avoided. These areas are identified as posing significant risk and should be avoided by vessels whenever possible. And last, deep water routes. These are routes specifically designed for deep draft vessels to ensure safe passage in areas with limited water depth. Summary. Ship routing information is a vital tool for ensuring safe and efficient maritime navigation by providing guidance and reducing risk. It contributes significantly to the overall safety and economic viability of shipping operations. The constant improvement and refinement of the system, integrating new technologies like satellite navigation and predictive modeling, further enhances their effectiveness. And that is my discussion about the purpose of ship routing information and ensuring safe and efficient navigation.